Hi! The Echo Colorado production team has created a format to help make the development of your Echo presentation easier, faster, and more impactful. This video serves as a very brief overview of the development process's highlights. The process is based on thousands of hours of team presentation experience, as well as research from sources such as Harvard University, TED Talks, and the CEO of Saatchi & Saatchi Global, just to name a few. Remember, you are the presentation. It is critical that you understand that PowerPoint slides are just a visual aid to support your presentation. Your knowledge and experience about the subject is what the audience has come for. The PowerPoint slides, text, and images provide you and your audience with visual cues to the main points of your presentation. For your ease and to create a consistent look and feel in all Echo Colorado presentations, we will provide you with a formatted PowerPoint slide template. Templates cover all possible combinations of text, image, chart and graphs, or combinations thereof. All you need to do is plug in your presentation content. It's pretty easy. PowerPoint slides are meant to convey concepts or topics and not meant to house a lot of detail or specific information. If your audience is reading your slides, they are not listening to you. Don't overload your slides. Text should be brief and displayed in a large font. Images, including charts and graphs, should be big, easy to interpret, and not contain a lot of small details. Think of your PowerPoint presentation slides like they're a billboard on the freeway. The message needs to be clear at 70 miles per hour. If you have to concentrate to read or interpret, it is much less effective. PowerPoint presentations frequently have too much text, which makes them hard to read and distracts the audience from what you are saying. The Echo format prescribes Calibri font, no smaller than 32 points in size, and allows for no more than 6 lines of text on any slide, with or without an image, chart, or graph. Examples are contained in the formatted slide template provided to you. Included with your Echo Presenters Kit is a competency checklist. This is an important tool to help you more easily develop a presentation at a higher level. It is a cheat sheet for developing a better presentation no matter how much presentation experience you have. Answering yes to these basic competencies now or in the future will assure you of a better outcome in your presentation, no matter what the topic. It is important that you begin with a clear idea of your desired outcome. If you begin with this end in mind, it makes it easy to identify the intermediate steps working backwards. Clearly identify the central message, the one big idea or central theme. Make sure all of the main points and visual aids support and focus on the main message, and eliminate anything that does not directly focus on the main message. Practicing is the single best preparation technique. Like every other skill-based activity such as speaking a new language or playing a musical instrument, practice is part of developing greater competency. It means developing a familiarity with the main points of every PowerPoint slide to create a consistent and relaxed cadence and smooth transitions for a confident delivery. Once you've practiced a few times, ask a friend or a colleague, someone who will tell you the truth, to critique your performance. Instruct them to listen carefully for repetitive pause words such as or ah, and count them if they occur. Many speakers don't realize they use repetitive pause words and how unprofessional it can sound. It is important to understand your audience. Knowing experience levels, age, gender, job, their client or target population, and location all enables you to tailor your remarks to reflect their needs. Echo's registration process enables you to see in advance who you will be speaking to. Don't wait until presentation day when you're on camera to check your camera, mic, lighting, or your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure that everything works ahead of time. If there are people running some of those functions, talk to them about what to do if something were to fail. Explain your motivation. Tell the audience who you are. Focus the attention of your audience on the impact to their work and the lives of the people they serve. Professionals want to know that your presentation will be actionable as well as interesting. Include a rhetorical question, a what-if question with a pause to draw your audience in. This technique will stimulate thought and the desire to know more. Let them know you will ask other questions and they will get to participate. Always provide something specific that the audience can do immediately. Every audience appreciates a tangible way that they can actually apply what they've learned into their own lives. Never be afraid to say, today, think of a client or a patient who's really struggling, and tomorrow, use something from our time here today to help them. Tell the audience that you will ask them to produce an action plan for this individual. Application is everything. The 3 T's is a simple organizational tool to organize, set expectations, and provide closure for your audience. And they are: tell your audience what you're going to tell them. This sets expectations and lets everyone know where you will be going. Then tell them. Provide the content and information you told them about. Finally, tell them what you told them. Summarize the content and confirm expectations were met to bring closure. And finally, always thank your audience for their participation in your own words. Everyone on the ECHO team would like to thank you for participating. We are working hard to make our presentation process as simple as possible so that you and your audience get the most out of the ECHO experience.